If you've recently encountered security checks on your PayPal account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials. If your account is limited, you will see a notification regarding the security checks that need to be completed. Step 2. Review the notification. Carefully read the message from PayPal regarding security checks. This will provide you with specific information on what actions are required to restore your account access. Step 3. Complete required actions. Follow the instructions provided in the notification. This may include verifying your identity, confirming your email address, or providing additional documentation. Ensure that you provide accurate and complete information. Step 4. Submit documentation. If required, upload any necessary documents directly through your PayPal account. This could include identification, proof of address, or other relevant information. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for review. After submitting the required information, wait for PayPal to review your case. This process may take a few days. You will receive an email notification once your account status has been updated. Once you have completed these steps, you should regain full access to your PayPal account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for further assistance.